You can see this beautiful doll made with plastic bottle, and the face is done with eggshell and pasted the false hair. This doll is made with paper mache. See its beautiful color. These dolls are done with socks. They put some sand inside the socks and then tie it. Next, this is another beautiful doll made with plastic bottle. This is also a doll made with plastic bottle, and the face is made with eggshell. This is a doll which is made with cardboard and nice coloring paper. This is a doll made with empty plastic bottle. This is a beautiful doll decorated only. This is also done with paper mache, and the faces is done with silk paper or molded. See how beautiful the doll is. This is another doll. This doll is made with wool, and the face is made with cardboard. See, another beautiful doll. And this is made with coconut shell. See the innovative idea. This is done with straws. This doll is decorated with straws and wool. See how gorgeous the doll is. Doll is decorated with coloring papers. See, this is another doll. This is made with jute. This is another doll made with socks, old socks and wool. See the decoration they have done with different clothes. And the stocking doll. Stocking doll. Now this is another puppy made with socks. Same way. Very nice.